Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Dude I Fix Shit. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the fuses out for the two cigarette lighters, the two front ones. It's pretty easy, but if you've never done it, it could be a pain. So if you got a manual, it'll be a lot easier. If you don't, just watch this. See if I can remember. I think it starts on 317. Let me see. That there is the fuse box under the hood. And the two fuses you'll need, if I remember correct, are 62 and 68. Verify that in a second. Okay, so yeah, 62, which is auxiliary 1, and 66, auxiliary 3. I think I said 68 a while ago. But no, it's 62 and 68. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop over to the fuse box. Alright, I'm back here at the fuse box, and it's right here on the left hand side, back behind the battery. And it's kind of bright out here, I can't see too good. Alright, so there it is. Pretty much all you do, push right here and right here, same time. Alright, let's see. 62, 68. This is easier for me to turn it upside down. 62's 3 in. Damn it, I keep seeing 68. 62 and 66. Which be, let's see again. Okay, yeah. So 60 is nothing. 61, 62. So it's this one right here. And then 66 would be right here. I actually need to get a new one, because when you pull these out, if you're not careful, these little plastic tops will pop right off. But that's a 20 amp right there as well, just like that. So that's 62, 68, and that powers the two inside cigarette lighters. Toss this back on, I'll show you how to do it. It's got this little part here. It's got to, let's see if I can get back in here. It's got to slide in there. Let's see if I can do it. Come on, hand.